Hello, in this video we're gonna take a look how we can build some interesting bio pages where you can have all your social media profiles. So to embed them in your Instagram or in your website, and when someone will want to connect with you, to have all of the available channels. We're gonna use a free tool that is called Cart that will gonna help us build these pages for free. So this is one of the pages. It's a simple one. In the left it has some details about me, a nice picture, and in the right it has the channels where I can be found. So if we click this, you'll see that it has a nice animation, and this page it is looking nicely also on mobile. You can customize this in any way you want. You can add the social accounts that you like, and the other template that we can also build, it's something like this. If you prefer something more dark, it's perfect. So same in the left you have the name, you have a presentation, and in here you have the channels, and in here you have an image that you can add, and same this thing, it has like some interesting effects, and this it can be published for free on a subdomain, or you can link it like $19 a year, can link it directly to your own domain. But for this video we're gonna use only the free options to build this, and in the end we're gonna see some extra things that can be added with the pro features that are not expensive. I will also let a link into the description with the tool presentation and the review that I've made previously. So to build these things, we need to navigate to Cart. Let's leave this and start building them from scratch. So this is the website, cart.co, and in here you can choose the starting point, and here you have some profile pages that you can choose from. So we're gonna start with the first one. This is a pre-made template. This is the easiest way to create the page. If you find already something that you like, you just need to select it and start building it. You can also build it from scratch, but in this video we're gonna use something that it's already made and it's looking nice. So in here we can go and select this. You don't need to create an account first, you can just start and you can create the account at the end. So we're gonna do that. So in here you have the interface. So you see that if you hover over these elements, you can see exactly the elements. So this is the image, and in here you can click the image and you can upload the image. And in here I have some images that were already created, and for this purpose I will choose this one. And in here you have the options to crop the image. So in there it's only my face, so I just only want to add this portion there, and you hit accept. So right now you see that the image it's added, and in here you can add an alt text, Dragos, and link URL if you want. You can even customize it future if you want in here to change the size, alignment, and things like that. But we're not going to do that because everything is looking nice out of the box. In here you have the name. So I'll put my name in here like this. This is done with the markup, so we can make this bold if we want. And in here you have some of the codes that you can use. We're gonna use for the description more details. So right now you edit the title with the name, and the next thing that we're gonna do, and in here again also you can choose the font, to the font size if you want. So for instance, this is the color, you can choose the font. In here you can modify the font size if you want to put your both names, but I will let this as default for this purpose. And in here we have the text that will show with the description. So in here you should type your description. So in here I already have a text that I have made. So let me copy this text. I will add the text, so I will explain you in here. So I've written something like online YouTuber, and this is for the markup to make it bold. So star, everything between star, you see in here, it will make this bold. You see that it's looking bolder in here. And then I have two blogs where I post frequently. One is called bidaze.com, and I put a link in here, and the link is added between square brackets like this. Here you have the name, and the URL, it this between brackets like this, and the second block, it's you repeat those, and again you have the URL in here between the brackets, and you can hit save in here, and you see that it's looking like this. So right now I am happy with what is happening in the left side. I just need to go and modify the right side. In here, these are some buttons, and if you click them, you see that the pop-up window opened, and in here you have the details like the GitHub, and in here we can add our repo. We can even delete this if we don't have a GitHub repo. And SoundCloud, for instance, I don't have SoundCloud, so I will just delete this. What I have, it's on YouTube, and I will add my YouTube channel in here, and you click add, and in here you have the label. It will be YouTube, and in here you can choose your icon. I will choose the YouTube, and in here you can put the URL. This is my channel, and in here you can even change the colors if you like to have this more natural. For instance, if you want to change the color for the YouTube icon to be like the YouTube one, you can do it like this, and then you can move this in the position you like. So you can take this and put it in here if you like. For the Facebook, again, we can change it. In here you can add your URL to the Facebook page. Let me grab that. Let me copy the link address, and I'll put it in here just to have it. Again, if we want to change the color, we can do that. We can put something blue that it's for Facebook. Let's alter it a little, maybe to look more interesting. You see, like this. For the Instagram, again, you can even edit it or change it. You can add some more social media accounts if you like. For instance, I have also Twitter one, and I would like to add also that. So for that, I will go and add the Twitter, and in here I will choose the Twitter icon, and then I'll put the Twitter URL in here. Okay, I can again change the icon color if I like to have something that is more to Twitter to grab the attention. And in this point, I am happy with the channels that I have in here. And let me put the Twitter under Facebook and let the email the last one and hit done. Then we should check and see that on the mobile it's looking nice. So you see that this is the mobile look, and it's looking nice on mobile. The next thing that we need to do is to go and save this. And in here, I don't have the account added. In here, we can log in or create an account. I will go and create an account so you can see exactly the steps. So I'll put in here like Dragos B, and I'll put my email. I'll put a password in here. It's available. I will confirm. I read, and in here you have the title for the page that we've created. So I will put Dragos, the title, description, Dragos bio, landing page. And then you have some options in here. For free, you can publish it to a card.co URL. If you want to publish it to a custom domain, then you will need to buy the Pro. The Pro, it starts from $9, and the more advanced one that will also enables you to add a subscription form, it's like $19, but you can create 10 of these things. But yeah, for the free one, we can create something like this. Let's see if it's available. It's not available. Dragos Blogger, I will put it like this just to see if it's available. Okay, Dragos Blogger, it's available. And then we should hit publish. Then right now this is publishing. Okay, it's telling us to verify the email, but okay. So I've added a verification. Next we're gonna hit verify account. And right now our website is live after it is verified. And if you go to visit site, you'll see that the website is live and it has the following URL and it's looking nice. You'll have this element in here because you are not paying with card, but yeah, that's how it is. If you want to upgrade, you have these options, which is not expensive at all. You've seen here that you have like $9 or 19 for the one that allows you add custom domains and forms. But yeah, with the free one, you can create all of these things for all of this, your social media bios for free, and it's having a custom subdomain with the card domain in it. So right now, if you want to create the second design, I will just go and open the card. I will not publish the website because it should do you should do the same thing, but I will show you how we can go and create one. So let me open a new incognito window where I'm not logged in. Let me go to card again. And I will start again and I will create a second design, which is different and is looking also nice from my point of view. Let's go and choose this one. So I like this one and how it's looking. Again, you will have the interface in here, and again, you need to click the title and change it. You put the name in here. Okay, so right now we are done. We've added our name in here. Next, we need to go and change the description. To do that, I will copy again the description that I have, and I'll put it in here. It's the same description. See in here, it has the links. I like it as it is. It's looking nice. You can even make it like this if you like to have more spaces and looks more large. Let me go and edit because I added a space for the URL, and so right now it's looking like this. So we have the title added, we have the description with what I'm doing, and in here we have the social media buttons that we need to change. These are the icons. So we have Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, we have the email. I want to add YouTube, and again you search for YouTube in here. This is the icon path. Again, you have the options to add the URL in here. I will not add it. You can change the color if you want. You can have the hover color, but I will let it like this. Again, we can change the position because I don't like YouTube to be in the last option. Okay, so I have Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube. I can even add Facebook if I want. Let's go and choose the Facebook. Okay, again, you can add your URL to the Facebook page. Again, I want to put it after YouTube. So right now it's looking like this. It's looking nice and it has a nice effect when you hover over it. In here you have the image that you can add. You see that, let me go to the desktop and choose the image. I'll choose this image. And again in here you can crop it and put exactly what you want. I will put something like this. You can even put on the image if you want, like this. Then it will look like this. You can even add other things if you want in here. For instance, if you would like to add like another text or another image or video, you can add a timer if you want. You can add a divider, other icons, buttons and things like that. You can do that with these free options. So you can add what you like in here. Then let's say I finished with everything and everything is looking nice in here. I will want to see how this thing is looking on mobile. And on mobile, we can see that this is looking nice. So you have the image that it comes first, then you have the title, then you have the description, and then you have the social icons that are grouped in here. If you don't like something, you can go and change them in here for mobile also. So you see the styling section. In here you have the appearance, and you can change them. You see in here you can change the color, the size if you want to make them bigger. But this is for the mobile. And go to the mobile option. So in here we have mobile, that is auto, and manual. So from manual you can change them. So for instance, let's make them bigger on mobile to be like this. You can change even the spacing. If you want, for instance, to be more like this, you can add margins if you want for this. And this is only for mobile. When you are happy with the result, you can hit done, and right now it's looking like this for mobile. Okay, so I think it's looking okay. It's because I have more icons than the default one. It's better to have them split in 2 separate rows, and for me it's looking okay like this for mobile. And at the end, what you can do is to hit this to see how this is playing. And the other thing that you can do is to again save it. And in here you need to go again with the same options. You add your name, email, password, confirm your email. You put the title, the description. You have the options to publish it. And in here you can have the options to choose your subdomain with Carrd.co for free. So this is the free options that Carrd are offering. So you have a lot of things. Also from here you can change the animation. I didn't show you. So you see in here that right now it's fade up. You see like this, but you change it, fade right. If, for instance, if you want something like that, you can change the duration, the display, order, on hover to grow. You can change also the effect from here like this. So this interface is really nice and really easy to use. You can customize everything with one click. You can even go and create your template from scratch, but it's easier, especially if you don't have any experience, to choose a pre-made template and use that to create your video cards. So this is the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed Carrd. Again, I will let the link into the description with the video about Carrd. And in case you liked what you have seen, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Have a nice day and see you in the next video.